Residents of JJT and surrounding communities are unable to access healthcare at the JJT Health Center after heavy floods washed away equipment and consumables. Authorities there say they have suspended attention to patients because all they need to work with have been destroyed by the downpour. Patients who visited the facility are either referred to Nkoko Holy Family or Enyirisi Hospital. Napoleon Nikam Park, a physician assistant at the JJT Hospital, tells correspondent Kofi Siao that the facility risks being flooded as long as it remains at its present state.
Around 12, I came here, the whole place was almost flooded. It entered through all the rooms. So our folders, the health insurance claims, our drugs, and then medical equipment, a lot of them was away. So on Friday morning, we came here, we tried to see the whole place, almost all the rooms was still flooded with water. So the folders, everything was soaked inside. You enter the storeroom, our drugs, everything got soaked. So all the oral medications, like the tablet, we cannot use them. The insurance claim, everything was washed away. The medical equipment, like dressing packs and weighing scale, thermometer, BP apparatus, everything was washed away. All the nationalists, like document, official receipt, everything has been washed away by the flood. For now, since that day, some of the community people came to assist in cleaning. So today we came, we are still doing the cleaning up exercise. For today, we have not yet received a patient, but the challenge will be that if there's emergency and we need to detain the patient, it will be impossible for us because we have dried all our mattresses because it got soaked. So we don't have a place that we can admit somebody. Then the vital signs, the things that you check before you even attend to the patient, we don't have them. The patient folders, we don't have a folder that you can write on it. So it's a challenge. We are hoping that by the close of the day, there should be an emergency measure that we can get some of the things, then we can start work. For the staff, we are here, we are ready to work, but the challenge is the things to use to work.
Our correspondent Kofi Sian joins me from the grounds. Hello, Kofi. Has anything changed since the last time you reported? Kofi, if you can hear me, what is the situation as we speak? Has anything changed? Tapis, I'm having a difficulty hearing Kofi. Let's try one more time, and if it's not working through, we probably will take a break and return with some more. Hello, Kofi, can you hear me? If you can, tell us. Very well. Go ahead and tell us what has changed. Is the situation still the same?
Yes, currently the situation is still the same. Just after the incident happened, I'm talking about the flooding of the health facility. The Zoom Lion people have been there, according to the district chief executive, and the officers from the Ghana National Fire Service have been there to clear the place now. But their folders and their office equipment and all that are still have still been affected by the flooding. So as of now, they cannot use any of them. The folders have been submerged in the flood.
But are they taking care of patients as we speak? I mean, after the fire service came in and all the other personnel that came in, are they able to take care of patients now?
No, they've not been able to take care of any of the patients that reported to the facility because the physician assistant there, Napoleon, told me that they are unable to do that because they have nothing to work with as I speak. So they are unable to attend to any of the patients that visited the facility. So what they do is that when they visit them, they refer them to either Nkoko or the Enyirisi Hospital or in that area.
We understand that 4 other communities in the Etiwa district have also been cut off following this downpour. Which communities are those, and have they received any relief items from NADMO?
Well, these communities are Enyinem, Akobuosu, Esunafo, and Abomotu. They were cut off by the flood after the rains over the weekend. So what is happening is that NADMO officials from Accra and Kokoridua have been there, and they are trying to rescue people who have been trapped. So what is happening now is currently that they've brought 2 speedboats that they are using to rescue those who have been trapped on their farm.
Well, Kofi, thank you very much. But what are residents saying, by the way? Have they made any complaints to the relevant authorities?
Well, they are saying that this has been a yearly ritual. So they are appealing to authorities to look into exactly what has been causing the flooding in that area yearly. So they are asking the authorities to do that so that they can find a lasting solution to the problem.
Kofi, thank you very much. Kofi Siao is a correspondent in the Eastern region. You're still watching The Pulse with me, Gifty, and up here. Take a very